ngayon, ano tayo ngayon, area of a parallelogram by integration. So, para din itong trapezoid na yung slope, yung slope nito, yun ang dinedetermine with respect to the x-axis. Kasi mahirap yung with respect to y. So, with respect to x na lang muna tayo. Kinukuha yung yung slope nung line. So, dalawang slope yon. In a form of y is equal to, in a slope intercept form, or y is equal to mx plus b. Yung m is yung slope and yung b is yung intercept. So, dito kasi, dito kasi is mx plus d. So, yung d yung intercept, and then mx plus c yung intercept. So, ang ini-integrate lang natin dito, kinukuha lang natin yung intercept ng dalawang linya, hindi yung slope. No? Yung integration from A to B is yung intercept ng dalawang lines. Yung difference ng dalawang lines. No, mx plus d minus mx plus c is equal to d minus c. Yun ang ibig sabihin. So, yun yung ini-integrate, no? Hindi na natin isasama yung slope. Yung intercept na lang. Kasi yun ang nakita natin sa Google AI. So, magandang malaman yan. Yung parallelogram is, kasi minsan pagka with respect to y pa, gagawin pa siyang rectangle. So, mas mahirap. Huwag na natin pahirapan. Balikan na lang natin ulit yan sa susunod. So, yun lang po.